how to fix Lazada app crashing, iOS or Android fix. Now I'm showing you this process on iOS, but you can almost repeat the same steps on your Android device as well. So first of all, make sure that it is not the issue with the internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. If you're using iPhone, simply open up settings, and from settings you want to simply go to general. From general you can simply go to the option called iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, just search for the Lazada app over here. So go to show all button and search for Lazada and tap on offload app. If you're on Android, you can try to clear the data of the app Lazada app. So once you have offloaded the app, what I also recommend you do is simply open up your App Store or your Play Store and simply search for update for the Lazada app over there. So you can just go ahead and then search for the app update for Lazada app. If there you see an update button, make sure to update it to the latest version. You can also try to restart your device finally to see if that helps you solve the problem. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.